Hey, I'm just jumping on here real quick today to show you my experience using a trading bot. On this channel, we explore ways in which we can create passive income in order to live a financially free lifestyle. So let's move over to my laptop and I'll show you what has happened so far in the last month. The bot I've been using is called Bitsgap. I'm an experienced trader. I do manual trades, and so I was really curious to see what the bot could do for me. Here we've got the bot, it's called Bitsgap, and we've got the chart here, which we won't get into. It's just meant to be a very quick video, just to show. My investment was $4,690 in US dollars, so this is how much it's worth. I did invest in BTC and in USDT. So my first investment was INJ, so injective protocol, and I invested 0.05 BTC. Then I invested in 0.04, and then later on, a few hours later, I invested in DOT versus USDT. So I've got 2 BTC pairs and 1 USD pair. So far, 25 days, as you can see here, my profit has been 16% for injected, 7% for Elron, and 12% for DOT, bringing the total to $621 US dollars in value from a $4,690 US dollar value investment. So that is pretty good. Given that it hasn't actually been a month yet, there's still 5 days to go for it to be 30 days. And yeah, 621 US dollars, this could be rent for some people. It could be a whole month's rent for some people. And the investment wasn't too big. It wasn't even 5,000 US dollars. If you've got a little bit of money sitting around that you're not too afraid to lose, then you can have a little play around and put it on the bot. What's great about the bot is that they do have a demo version which you can play around with using fake money. If we come down here, you can see on the side here, the bot gives a little indication on the performance of some of these pairs. Here we've got like the best performers on this side. Obviously, what I suggest is that you know what these altcoins are before you do invest in them. But I think this is a really good feature because I invested in Injective Protocol because it was doing very well. I obviously do know what they're about, and I do trust this company. But at the same time, they were doing really well on the bot when I first, so 25 days ago when I first got onto it. And as you can see here, it's been my best performer so far, even though the other two have been performing really well as well. So at the moment, yeah, these here would be the best performers. You can even go and click on this and you can choose, okay, so in the last 3 days, the best performers have been these ones here. And in the past week, you can also check and see what pairs have performed the best. So that's actually really useful. I am really impressed with the results here. A 5K investment has turned over 600 USD in 25 days without me doing anything. I had the bot running in the background. You can have your computer turned off as well. And I just forgot about it. And every now and then I'd think, oh, let me just check the bot. And I'd be super impressed. So as a trader myself, we're very much used to having profits and losses and profits and losses and fluctuations in the amount of money that we make. I'm not saying the bot is consistently going to make you a certain amount every day, but what I've seen so far is every time I've checked the bot, it's never been less. It's always been a bit more, which is quite crazy in my mind, given my experience when it comes to trading. So obviously 25 days is not a big sample size. It's not enough time to actually really know, you know, if we can rely on this as a form of passive income. But so far, I am really impressed, and I'm going to continue using the bot, and I'll continue posting my results. I'm probably going to put more money onto it and see if it can make me, not to be greedy, but you know, when you see something that is making you money, then you know, it's a human natural instinct to want to try to maximize on that. And yeah, why not? So I'm very likely going to put a little bit more cash on there, because this was also just a test amount. So I put 5 grand on there because 5 grand is an amount that I'm comfortable with losing, and just because I don't have the patience to do the demo account and to to sit there and to watch profits. I'm quite impatient when it comes to that, so I rather just use real money. And so, but what I do suggest is that you start with a demo account, unless you've got money that you're willing to just say goodbye to in the case it does go to zero. All right, but yeah, so far my experience has been positive, and I will definitely leave a link below so that you can check out the bot and you can sign up. If you use my link, you're also going to get the pro account for, I think it's about 2 weeks that you get to use it for free. And so if you do have some money on the side that you're willing to just throw on and see if you can make some profits, then yeah, just go down below to the description and click on my link, and you'll be able to sign up for a free trial for the pro account. So there's different accounts. You have the basic account, you can only use 2 bots, and you have a limit to how much you can trade. And then you've got another kind of account, I can't remember the name and then you've got the pro account, which you can do a limited trades, about 15 bots or something like that. So yeah, you'd get that for free for 2 weeks, and yeah, just check it out. It's been pretty impressive. As a human trader, I think the differences between the bot being a machine and the human way of trading is that we come with emotions, and we come with a certain money mindset, and we come with certain human qualities that a robot doesn't have. So the robot would just follow instructions, and so it can make those small profits in the long term. So I think that's like one of the differences. But as well, from what I've seen on the bot, is that it makes really small trades, but it makes many. So it opens many trades. So if I was to make those trades manually, I would have to be sitting in front of my computer constantly in order to catch those little fluctuations in price that the bot can catch. So what's happening here with the bot is that it's making trades that as humans we probably wouldn't be able to make. So it's just another way of trading. So I will complement the bot with my normal trading. But if you're not interested in learning how to trade, then this is actually quite a good source of passive income that you can just have on the side. Invest some money into it and then just leave it and forget about it. And then maybe in a month or 2 you can go and check, and you can see if you've made any profits or not. And yes, first of all, let me just say I'm not a financial advisor, so just don't take my word for it. I'm just a person with a camera on YouTube that just so happens to be passionate about sharing ways in which we can become financially free. And yeah, so don't just listen to what I say. Do your own research and, you know, play around. Use a demo account. See how it feels for you. It's only been 25 days for me, so it's still pretty fresh. But don't worry, I'll make video updates as I go on, and so you can see how much I've added to the bot and what the return on investment has been. Yeah. So make sure you subscribe, click on the notification bell, and so when I make another one of these video updates, you'll be notified. And yeah, you can come along onto this journey with me. I will still trade on the side, and I will make videos on how to trade. Bear with me, the channel is pretty new, but we will get there. We're just covering the basics at the moment, and very soon we'll move on to trading. Yeah, as I said, please do subscribe, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Have you used the bot before? Have you used a trading bot? What were your results? This is my first time using an automated trading bot. I have been on the Cornix app, and I've used a bot that was copying trades from another trader. If I compare the two, I have to say this bot has performed better, but I have been on the other one for a bit longer. So maybe when I've done 3 months bot, then I can do a proper comparison as to whether it was more profitable for me to copy trades from a human or to just let a bot place these trades for me. what else can I say before we wrap this up? Yeah, just let me know what your thoughts are. Have you used the bot before? And like the video, please. That will definitely support the channel. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.